Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can contact EB customer support team. So if you wish to contact the customer service, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you open up a browser and then log in into your EB account by tapping on www.eb.com and directing to your home page. So when you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, you could also go ahead and press the feedback icon located right at the bottom, and here you could go ahead and tap on visit help and contact. When you do that, it's going to take you to the field where you can go ahead and type in the issues and state about your problems or why you've contacted the customer support team. Likewise, you could also go ahead and browse the category according to you, and that's basically how you can go ahead and contact the support team. Or else you could also submit a request or a feedback by tapping on submit report located right over here, and that's basically how you can report or submit. So that is how you can contact EB customer support or service team. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.